and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, and I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade. Our weekly tip of the week talks about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and much more. This week, we're going to be talking about overhead lights in bedrooms. Now, many of the older homes, and I'm not talking about homes from the 40s and 50s, I'm talking about homes that are even back from the 70s and 80s. A lot of them don't have overhead lighting. We've even had some of our clients with fairly young homes that don't have lights in their bedrooms. Now, you'll notice in the photo that we have here, this particular bedroom has a couple of table lamps, and that's because there were no overhead lights. Now, that does come with one advantage. Table and floor lamps can really add some nice decor to a room. They can be quite decorative, colorful, lots of texture, and can really add a lot to the house. However, most of our clients find that not having overhead lighting that's controlled by a switch can be a real problem. Switched receptacles, however, allow you to control a floor lamp from the switch. Some of our clients didn't even realize that a receptacle within their room was controlled by the switch that's in that room. And this is the whole purpose of it. You can plug a floor lamp into that receptacle, and then you suddenly have a light that's controlled by the switch. That still may not be the most convenient thing for most of our clients. So often they're going to opt to have some kind of ceiling light put in. Now, we often encourage our clients to have a blingy hanging light in their bedroom. This can add a really nice touch of luxury to your bedroom. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy. Check out the one that we installed here for our client in Pickering. Just something a little different to add some interest to their room. You'll notice that they also have table lamps on the nightstands as well. So there's plenty of task lighting as well as some mood lighting as well, and a little touch of decor and color to the room as well. Now, pendant lights are something that we've only done a couple of times, but we love this idea. So instead of sconce lights or table lights over your two nightstands, why not consider pendant lights that can be hung at absolutely any length you need? Check out the ones in this bedroom. Two small, fairly unobtrusive lights that just hang over the nightstand and are about 20 inches below from the ceiling. A nice touch, and there's a switch on either side of the bed to control them. Something to think about the next time you want to change up your bedroom a little. LED pot lights have become really popular in bedrooms. You put them on a dimmer, and then you've got both task lighting and mood lighting in the same light. Generally, 4 LED pot lights is usually enough, but it depends what you're planning on doing in your bedroom. If you have it set up as an office as well, or perhaps you do a lot of reading in your room, you may need 6 pot lights if you have a bigger bedroom. But always make sure you put them on a dimmer switch. Ceiling fans are also a great alternative in a bedroom. They not only offer some great lighting and some decor as well, but they cool the air in the summer. And then when you switch the direction of the blades, it also keeps the air a little warmer in the winter. We highly, highly recommend ceiling fans in every single home. They are definitely a good option and help with the efficiency of your furnace. If you're interested in having additional lighting installed in your bedrooms, give us a call for a free, no obligation estimate at 905-259-3344. Thanks for joining us this week for your Love Your Home renovation tip of the week. Check us out at www.multitradebuildingservices.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next week as we help you learn to love your home.